round it, round it, round it. That's how you have to do the thing, man. Mad, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Faster now, man. Faster now, man. Cheese and peas. Faster now, man. Yes! Yes! Watch your style now. Corner. 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 Maximum respect, blessed love every time to have my Jamaica walk by massive. In this video, we are currently at Mystic Mountain. So I'm going to give you a nice decent tour of Mystic Mountain. But first, let me explain and walk you through. We're currently in the parking lot and I'm going to break it down in stages. So I'm telling you from now. So how this is going to go, I'm going to show you like the procedure. I'll tell you about the procedure in what you would expect when you just arrive here at Mystic Mountain. Once you take up, once you get to park around the parking lot, let me warn you know. It can be very hectic if you come here on a weekend to get parking, so you'll be there a while sometimes to get parking, just like for us today. And then unfortunately we hear that zipline closed off at 12 when we actually got here long before 12, but we just couldn't get any parking. Zin? Alright. Anyways, we are trying to work out that because we actually did make reservations. But despite all of that, once you reach here, listen to me. May I ask you if you support the people them in the craft market. They have some very unique craft there, from turtles, any type of animals that you would like if you're lovers of animals, plus bead chains, herring, you name it, whatever you can think about when it comes down to craft, you'll get it at the craft market at the parking lot at Mystic Mountain. So if you're a tourist, definitely a place you can stop and shop, and the prices are very, very, very reasonable, sometimes more reasonable than what you'd expect from the craft market in Ocho, just to let you know. There's this lady right here, her name is Aisha. Aisha have a lot of different stuff selling. She made bead chains, she also makes earrings, and she makes chaparitas and stuff. And she have these little bags that you can get Jamaican seasoning and stuff like that, where she package them nicely, different stuff for you to have, you can take back abroad. You see me I said? Also, let me explain you going inside of the venue. First, you will definitely stop at one of the counters here and they will actually explain to you or say, document what you are going to do, so them can explain to you what is not available from what is available. Then you move on to getting your tickets. If you made them tickets online, definitely you can just pick up your tickets at the counter after you speak with that first lady. And then you will move on to the Sky Explorer. The Sky Explorer is the only way in for persons to go to Mystic Mountain. Let me make sure we get that clear. Zin? So you can see the Sky Explorer and then change your mind, say you now go up there because it is part of the package to go up there. It is a ride by itself and it is like 20 to 25 minutes long based on the amount of persons who are here on the day. You get me? So I'm going to break it down in categories. So right now, when I see my back, I'm just going to show you like what it is to go up on the Sky Explorer. I'm going to record the entire journey. So sit back, relax, start like the video. I'm going to show you the exact journey of the Sky Explorer. Go straight to the top. See? Art of love, mad respect, and let's do this. Mad. Now we're actually going to the Sky Explorer. Listen, the ticket spot is going to be a drag for you because it's still not 100% organized big man thing. Well, as Lexi said, not in 50% because we're actually there from all along and it was just a few persons there at the front and we still can't get through. I really think they should have a cash line and a reservation line because we made reservation and you have to wait for everybody for a cash count, this, that. When we actually pay already, we have a number. All we needed to do was just to pick up our armband and we almost had to take the whole day. And remember, mind you, the place open 11 o'clock and it like 5 o'clock. So if it take you 2 hours to go through, a year time I cut short, not them money. You hear me? So yeah, it was crazy, but finally we reach inside and we're up on the Sky Explorer right now. So I'm going to record the entire journey, so get ready. So before we go up on the Sky Explorer, let me explain something to you. So this part here, which is the Sky Explorer headquarters, you will have to sign the waiver. Meaning, say, yeah, from here that waiver mean anything if you happen to you on that property here, you're pretty much upon your own risk, to tell you the truth. You can't do no lawsuit or nothing, you're right on your own risk. You understand? Pretty much in layman's term, that's what it means. But I have to tell you, the place is super beautiful. You can't take that from this place. I love the river, the little lazy river thing go through and thing. Lush vegetation, that place is mad. So, if you take photos and make it look like you're on a vacation, definitely one of the place you should forward up. Or think about come and taking some nice pictures. So, let's go. Sky Explorer, remember, sit back, relax. I'm going to record the entire journey. So, the journey is supposed to be like 20 minutes long. It is a dread journey, so prepare yourself. If you're afraid of height, that place here, it's not for you. Manners, best friend. Oh. Alright. Yeah, you and Kadina go. Me and Anthony go.
May I keep it, baby?
Yeah. You good with that? So you want me go with the free one. So Anthony very, very scared of it. So me choose to go with the chi because I don't want, you understand? So Kadina, so this is how it go. It don't really stop. I think you have to stay behind this yellow line here until them go on. So look how this thing work now. Because of the baby, them are gonna make it stop. So Kylie can get the lock in and seatbelt properly. I want very slow riding a massive, so may I tell you, it is going to take a while and it is very high. So if you're afraid of height, definitely not for you. But so far, it is safe. I did it before and I'm going to do it again. Look on it. So actually stop it for the baby. Alright, so you sit down as it pass, lock, and the baby are going to get seat belt, which is locked in for safety. Yeah man, my teacher. Heart of love and respect, you hear that? Yeah man. So as you can see, yeah, mad respect. So baby seat belt on and everything, there's a big iron well locking them, and see you can see legs of them gone. Yeah, so I record the whole thing from this part. Anthony, you ready? Please, no screaming and all them type of thing. That you're gonna be safe. It is gonna be very high, but you're gonna love it. See? You know, give her words of encouragement, man. Do help me. Yeah, she's afraid of height. Alright. I'm there to tell you, man. And then when you come at the yeah. Oh my word, so you ready? Alright, I'm gonna take this side. You come to this side. Yeah. Alright, put up your foot. This is gonna come over and lock.
What did you say?
Alright, open the bag, put this in the bag for me. You can't let go your bag, you know. You have to hold it. Alright, massive. So let me tell you again, this is the only way up there and the only way down. So you're gonna do this ride 2 times. You see me I say? So as you can see, some persons on my left ear, they are coming down. So it is a part of the ride. Anthony, it will get really high, so don't worry yourself. So me I try to vlog the entire journey. It's gonna be like 20 to 25 minutes long, to be honest with you. Look, that's where we're coming from. So, a mad thing. You're gonna be high up in a year like it's a June. That is it. Jamaica walk by. That is it, man. Yeah, but big up to our supporters, them. That is it. So, let me record the journey. Sit back, relax. Anthony, how your foot feel?
It don't feel good.
You don't feel good?
No.
Alright, so massive, today is Anthony's birthday, so we decided to take her to Mystic Mountain to enjoy ourselves and have a little bit of fun. Now, but I drop your phone now, you know, because I trouble you go in. Because if you drop it down there, look what go on. I don't know how you get it back. Oh my word, I'm not gonna lie, it is very scary. Because see the way up on a height, a mad thing. So, we're going to vlog the entire thing. So, you see how long it will take you to be at the top of Mystic Mountain where all the rides are. Today we are going to do the zip line. I'm going to do the climb. I'm going to do the Raggamuffin, and I am going to do, what may I left out? The bobsled. I'm going to record the entire thing so I can see what it feels like. I'm going to do it like a POV, first person view, so I feel like I experience it right then. So let's do this. See how high with the massive? Oh my word, like I want plane winner. Anthony, can I like it? Whoa, yo. You have to put it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Who me fi big up? Jamaica walk by.
Yeah.
That is it. Right there. Yeah. Man. Alright. Kind of brave, no screaming or nothing. Jeez, so massive. Let me tell you this now.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Not really.
Let me tell you this now. Me don't know about nobody, but if you're afraid of height, you're going to feel this. You're going to feel it. It's a nice ride because certain point you're going to take pictures as well, and you can get a chance to purchase those pictures up at Mystic Mountain at the head office. So they will tell you when you must smile, and you take the picture, and you can get to retrieve your beautiful photo sitting here upon a height. You see me? A mad thing, but you know me not stop it. Straight where I go. Yeah, man. I would advise you to hold on on this one. I would advise you to hold on on the back. Yeah, like put your hand on the back. Yeah, like up at the top here, so. If you feel more secure as it get higher, because as you can see, we are going mad high right now. Yeah. Alright, that shaking there one time it change. Loop. Woy. So while we're there, alright, I go up. Boom, boom, boom. While Lexi has a turtle. Cheese and peas. Here's a turtle. Look how I would have on this terrible, brother. Nah, man. Here, Kylie up there, enjoy it. Kylie don't know her danger. Almighty. Massive. High with it. Look there. Jesus, worries. Listen, me just to go an idea as to how high it is. Look at that. Mighty. Right now, you see Moon Palace from here. Come like with the higher than Moon Palace in the distance. See, some people they're below. Because you travel above and things. So, as I say, it's about a 20 minutes journey. Because sometimes it have to stop, and when it stop, everybody stop. They say, Dread. Love it. Lexia says she love it. Let me zoom you up. You say, I love it. Yeah, man. Oh, my word. Let me back my phone. It's beautiful, nah lie. Really beautiful. 1 second. Look at that. Oh my word. It's mad beautiful, man. Wow. So beautiful. Mystic Mountain. Only way in, only way out. Well, Anthony, if anything, if you don't want to ride it back. No, no jump off, you're mad. Just track it through the bush. Anthony said, just jump off, how dare you? You don't have a little girl. Lord Jesus. Alright, this is the part now when it slow down and stop after you're there so high. Oh my word, man. So let me big up my subscribers, you know what I mean, all my members. I wanna say massive big up to Miss Kadeen Sterling. You don't know, you've been like one of the backbone of Jamaica Walk By tour as well. You understand? You're not just a subscriber, but you are definitely a supporter. You're there for me always. You know what I mean? Everybody will always depend the premiere them. And to everybody who are actually there here with Jamaica Walk By from the start, I just want to say thank you so much. Super duper appreciate every single one of you. If you know you always a comment on the videos them, yeah, art of love, respect in all aspect. You see me, I say, make a wrap this video, go up to 10,000 likes there. You understand? Yeah, make we aim for 10,000 likes and say, what go on? I know so now always better than me, now always give me more than me ask. So, let's do it. The video nice and clean and pretty, so we deserve a like. Here, Kyla, daddy? Yes, mommy?
I like it.
What she said, me like it?
Yeah.
I love it. Yeah, you like it?
Good.
Yeah, me good. All right. Kadina, you good? Great. Yes, I. Let's go to her. It's a birthday, girl. Say how much today? 12. That is it. And you did my foot from your 4-year-old. Okay, dog. I turn big. That is it, man. I'm a little daughter them. I mean. So let's do this. How much minutes in? We're about 11 minutes in, and I'm telling you it's about 20 minutes. A 20 minutes journey or less. Based on how much people are going on it, that will make it take long because it has to stop or store right down so other persons can enter it. Maybe not. If it's so rich, no. More next 5 minutes. Beautiful. Love it. So enjoy the journey. Let's go. So in the meantime, let me look in the studio, see if I can big up few of my subscribers them in the meantime, because it is only fair. You guys are the persons that will make Jamaica Walk By possible in all aspects. You understand? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on my last video and I'm going to go in the comment section and see who is here. So first and foremost, I'm going to go to my members. Let me see, I'm not sure how many members I have now, so let me go on membership and big up my people them, you see me? Oh, you mean? So massive, you can subscribe for membership. It's only like $1 per month. Just as a Jamaica Walk By, we support the thing, and you know what I mean, me rate what you do. You see me? Yeah, as easy as I try to keep it as low as possible, because you know we don't give nobody anything to put on, and more when people are showing me gratitude, it is reasonable, you see me, and everybody can get to show a little gratitude. So in my members, it's not a lot, so whoa, you feel it now. The breeze are making it rough. Jaja. Look that massive. Oh my word, man. Yeah, stop. What make you choose to stop right as so? Look that, man. Jaja. No, sir. Here, Alexia ball out. Moon Palace, she's coming. Me not like that party right as Anthony. That party are rough, man. Alright, so for my members, I want to big up Dennis Anderson. You understand? I want to big up Franesha. Yes, that's her name, Franesha. I want to big up Miss Judith Coleman, 336 Blessing. I want to big up Echo Dirt 2. You know what I mean? Carlene Gooden. You understand? I want to big up Henry Sylvester. I want to big up Anticipated, and these are their YouTube's name that they go by. You understand? So I'm just calling them out. You understand? 10 plus, you know what I mean? Big up and respect. Brown Eyes 1225. Zembo, big up yourself, you know what I mean? Dave Hudson, you know what I mean? Kevin, big up every time. Miss Claudette Lawton, yeah, big up every time. And let me see who is here. Old Painless SC, big up yourself every time. You don't know. Shanana, how you pronounce this? Shanana Max, blessings and respect. Lee Ross, big up every time. You see me? Evelyn, blessings and respect. Regal Life. You understand? Veronica, bless up. Sav Max, big up every time. Andy Drummond, blessings and respect. You know what I mean? What's this? Cecile Pass. So we have to remember say my YouTube name and it join them sometimes. So I just try to break them down sometimes to see exactly what it is. Mitzi Bird, big up every time. Storm 0813, blessings and respect. Green Pasture Night Refuge, big up every time. Robert Thompson, Miss Jennifer. What's this? Miss Jennifer. We have to keep it at Miss Jennifer. I can't make out the last part. Jay on Fleek, big up every time. You know what I mean? It's actually more than I anticipated, but you don't know. Mine of JSO, big up and respect. Because since today and this will take a while, we can always bless up some people. No joke, I have no problem with that. Debbie, big up every time, Miss Debbie. That's Debbie 2025, blessings and respect. Zoe Miller, Art of Love. You know what I mean? What's this? Now, through the name them join up in a one, it's hard to make out exactly what they're saying. Big up Vertical 33, Rude Boy, you know, Rude Boy, the UFC fighter. My family there, Randy Brown, you know what I mean? Big up to D-Light 5, Miss Darrell Price, you know what I mean? Precious Gems, Jano. Blessings and respect. Oh, I didn't realize that I've been getting so many members on the platform. Thank you guys so much. You know what I mean? Blessings. You understand? Big up to Miss Yvonne Wallace. Who is this? Big up to Mr. Richard Kennedy. You see me? Tracy Ann Campbell. You understand? Big up to I Am Queen B1. You know what I mean? Big up to Paul. Miss Jennifer Garcia. Jano. Some of them is not names, they are just numbers. Are they picture camera this? So massive, this is the camera I was telling you about. And we tell her when to pose. When I reach, go on, cut. Mad. Yeah, the journey continue. Big up to Triplex 8030, Sunshine.
Yeah.
Jajano. I can't make out some of the YouTube names them because trust me. Big up Mr. Velocity. Also Narito. Big up every time. You've been a member on the channel for a very long time too. Big up to Kiar Camp. Big up to Lions Den. You understand? ASMR. JAMD. Big up to Stephanie Shelton. Blessings and respect. Miss Christine King. That is it. You don't know, I love it. I Love It is one of our first members as well. So let me tell you a little bit about I Love It. They do scented candles. They do printed water bottles. Loads of gifts and souvenir. Like souvenir gift that you would definitely love to give to somebody. As you can see, Mystic Mountain is inside, so we're almost there. So as I told you, it's like a 20-minute ride. So this is taking just a little bit over 20 minutes, but I guess by 20, we're gonna reach the stop about 22 minutes and so. So as I was saying about I Love It, and I mean, they're on Instagram as well. So let me tell you their Instagram name. So you can definitely check them out. You can get, and they're located in America, but they ship worldwide. You see it? So definitely, I have a lot of scented candles, repellent candles, printed water bottles and stuff. Their Instagram is I love it 920. So it's I_LUV_it 920 on Instagram. Definitely check out the page and you can see loads of the work that they do. You see me? So definitely big up to my members. I don't know, big up to Mirror Effect channel, and I mean another YouTuber. Big up to Mirror Effect. I haven't seen videos for him for a while, you know what I mean? I know say time's busy, but big up to Mirror Effect, bad sick content creator too over there in America. You know what I mean? Miss Kadeen Sterling is also a member. Big up and respect. Tough Gang 2588 is also a member. Art, love and respect. Big up to Jaden Jackson. Jaden, you've been on Jamaica Walk By for a very long time. Also, big up to my family them, Jason and Gina. They are someplace right now in Thailand, so you can look out for some very interesting videos from Jason and Gina all the way in Thailand right now. Big up to Proof to you. You understand? Art, love. And if I skip out anybody's name, I really can't make it out. I am super sorry. I must apologize. So big up to all my members, and we are almost there at the top of Mystic Mountain. A mad thing. So music I play, so I might have to do a little bit of editing to edit out the music them. But so far so good. Let's see the whole vibe. You see me? With there massive, so I just go close this right as me stop, and then I go do like the journey, the different things. Then when I really walk out the place, I have a video of how the place really look and thing, and you can definitely look on that if you want to see like a full walkthrough. But this one is showing exactly what I go on right now and what we are gonna do. Anthony, remember we're gonna jump out like a soldier camp, you see me? Manners and respect. Outside. Jamaica Walk By. Respect my teacher. Yeah. Yeah. I really take my teacher. What a reach. What a good. Oh my word. You never scary. Lie you tell Kadina. Did I? You did that. I'm in a hear your mouth. I'm in a hear your mouth.
Even when it stop, it's when it stop, I just shake.
Yeah.
You feel like you're
You depend on eye.
No, if you fly.
Yeah. So massive. So we're going to do this. This is the mountain climb thing, and that are the zipline thing for you get hook up and things. So make we do it now, man. Let's go.
Hey.
So as you can see, the place is very, very beautiful. Very beautiful place. So right here, so center camera is where we're gonna go and get hook up for the zip line. Let's do this. So now we're actually well dressed and everything. Look on way. This is the current look. Whole heap of harness, whole heap of thing. After you them set we up and thing for safety and thing. I got that side there, follow the crowd. Understand? So we are definitely going to go on the zip line now. So I'm now going to cut the video when I see me start do the first person, so I can actually enjoy the zip line and all of that from the comfort of your home. Anthony, you ready? Yeah. That is it. You understand? So whole heap of harness, whole heap of safety thing, helmet, thing of your whole arm for swing, and your harness straight down. You see me? So we're walking now to the zip line. Alright, you ready? Let's enjoy the zip line, man. Let's go. Manners teacher. See. So see it here. I have to go down the steep step here. So POV style. Let's go. I see G forward.
Yeah. Bend knees while going across because we have hanging branches. Don't want to get the trees and damage. Okay?
Yeah. They said damage the tree.
Lean back while going across because at the last 4 to 5 feet of your ride, stopping is going to come in play, and once you're stopping, you're going to be going forward. Understand me? I say? The motion of the stop is going to bring you forward. So if you're too close to the things like these, that means you're going to bump up your head on these things.
So when you
Alright? So leaning back prevents you from bumping your face on it.
so lean back at the slow down.
Yes, so lean back to slow down. Alright?
Okay.
You think something bad is going to happen, just close your eyes and get ready for the hit. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we're doing. But don't worry about the stopping, alright guys? Just remember those details. Leaning back. Okay? Boxes like these are on the platform, so please raise your legs so you land on top of the box and not hit. The guide should be over there, will be over there to stop you at all times, so you have nothing to worry.
Bro
The
said
guide
guys.
is not there, don't panic because the trees never move. If you miss the tree, just know that you're in a better place, and no place leads up. Better place. Yeah guys, so all the chickens, just close your eyes because the tree will do the rest, alright? Going is really going, we're not staying here. And if you're wondering how much line we're doing, we're just doing one. So don't be afraid to do one line, alright? Good? Good, alright.
That is it.
Yeah, next stop. Come up.
Nesta.
That's all the thing on one. No. What's the example? That's their word. That's an example.
So bro G say yo, there should be one of the guys them down there to stop you when you're forward. Should, you understand? But if you're a zipline and nobody not down there, the trees will always be there. They never move. They will there to stop you. They're permanent. Alright, so see that out. We're ready to hit the zipline. Let's do this.
Maybe not start yet. Oh God, no sir. Sorry, we're making an alarm.
See screw, that screw jump out.
Eh? What? What to me? You did that jump out for you, you see? No.
See how that one in a lock? How good? Just I say, we have to look out for you. So remember, if you see a tree and the tree already red, now lick that one there because somebody already lick it already. Anthony can't look.
Hurry up! Stop going to you!
Anthony, why you afraid?
The girl them wanna come. That is your one zipline, no?
I don't tell you, man. Remember, not enough time people don't make it out near before their birthday, you know.
What you want to ask him?
I think a joke.
You're the only child?
Yeah, man, we have more than one.
Yeah, that you have replacement, man. You're good.
Yes, sir. Get up.
Just don't worry about it.
And you can freestyle too.
Let go your hand, man.
Yeah, head down and then thing there.
You say you're a good father. Come in.
You need them to be brave.
If you're brave, go on the box with you. Sit down, Banji. You ready?
You ready?
Yep, go on.
Father, hold on, where are you?
Say we now go back down there. One more time.
I post on this man.
Woo! That's a cool big teacher. We know about that. We don't see no tree need red.
Alright,
So
so that
everything
means
I go
everything going good for a man.
I don't think you like it. But that is it. Watch out. Wait. You know me catch that, right? Peace. What is the first one was epic. You love it? Great. Is it fast? So massive, it has begun. Let us capture all of this. So as you can see, you set up, your person's waiting at the first one. And then you get to this one right here. And roof again.
Alright? Better 10,000.
A dog tape, a thing, but a tape up here.
That's here, puppy, what?
Tea tree there.
Yeah.
Come up right there.
Bro, you said they have to pass and go on because they have to go duct tape one line and so we broke. Asma, ya alkaline mother.
You jiggle me.
Me?
You know me get jiggle up. Me I go sit there. Me put me a squeeze like I sit there. Me can't manage it.
Don't jiggle her now. She look like she easy if you get baby. See, 3 of them she gone. She have a vibe. Anthony, you ready again? Yeah. Sure? See, killer them man. So you're not afraid again? Yeah man, that's your bush. Yeah, yeah. Let's do this, man. Got you. Stand up on the box. Go! They're gonna rock in our bus now, please. They're gonna rock on our bus, please. That's the man. So this one now, since you're up in a tree, nobody has to rock on. Hey, I want to break! Go!
No, the man we are shit is talking. Go!
Oh, my keep coming through.
Probably two already. Remember this man who came and daddy are recording.
No miss.
4K, maybe about 30 or a 24. One of them per.
Our school.
Oh shit, I didn't even see that. Princess, and you're so young. Damn.
Remember, I tell you about your birthday, people don't normally make it close to their birthday.
That's your father said to do it.
First the record, they have a big boost, bro.
Yeah, alright. I never meet Princess, alright, man.
Go up on the box, bitch.
That is it.
Wait, man, do it.
Let's go. Nice piece of vibe. Oh, what's that? It is screw about. Yeah, man, you have to check your harness them too, man. Make sure they screw them good. I don't say I rock them and wipe up before I use them. I have to keep them posted. So we're currently up on the third leg. I'm not telling you we enjoy this thing. This thing is nice. We're going to fall down thing, but I think the rain not going to stop, man. I'm mad thing, man. Just make sure I check on the harness. 2 screw drop out, you might never know. You don't know? Let's go. Chuck off.
Man, forward, man.
Let me carry get out of control a while ago.
Can't get out of control. And the brake well shut up. Go! Big toe catch pan the brake, you know, man.
That is it. Let's go. So, yeah, massive, sir. This is our next step. How we go. Our next journey. Oh, and I enjoy the first person view so far. It's nice, it's beautiful. I'm enjoying it. And let's go. Yeah. How about it? Yo, we down, like, I want to make it fun, bro.
What
Can't drop off.
Man, that be me hurry up.
Remember say I'm on your harness. Yo! God! Oh yeah! Epic!
One more time.
So we're fine. Thing that's a rock. Make it nice.
Wait, princess.
Father.
I'm gonna turn the man.
mad. Why, oi. Or me get rid of them.
Over here for it, you know.
Eh?
Yeah. Where there?
Already?
So daddy, come back, you know.
Hey, worst thing as soon as they get big, you know, they don't want to see no appearance. So that was the epic end of the zip line. Anthony, how was it?
It is scary and really nice.
Scary and it nice. Yeah, that me say too. So right now we are waiting on the Sky Explorer. As you can see, look like a full drive this. So we are gonna jump on that one now, right which at the foot sign there. And we are gonna head back down and then head back up to the mountain after the zip line. Let's do this. To the deck. And this lock. I hit this. Whoa! Very good journey. Where are the one that was there? Oh my word. Me say, massive. But open to enjoy that. That was the zip line, and I see how much different section we had to go through to get on the zip line. So where want the next? Bobsled. Alright, so we're going to do the bobsled next. Actually, I birthday girl, you know, so we are working with what she has say. So the thing about this now is that we're actually on the Sky Explorer and we're gonna head down where we actually came from, and then we're gonna take back the taxi, go up to the mountain. You see me I say, so it kinda, yeah. But then say the Sky Explorer is a part of the ride, you know what I mean? So me not have no problem with this. So see you again when time we reach down there. I'm gonna show you how we just turn and head back up, and we're gonna just jam back the whole of the actions up a Mystic Mountain. See? That is it. Let's go. So off of the zip line and it's now onto the Raggamuffin. Massive, the day are going good. It's a long day, but me I try cut it sweet and spicy so you can see what I'm going. So we're going to check out the Raggamuffin and all. So you can see it go way over the cliffside, and people say this is one of the most scary rides. So we could document it, going on it and everything, and record the whole POV vibe of the Raggamuffin. Come on man, let's do this. Keep liking the video. I'm there with we have Anthony, I go test it. And Kadina,
I'm not afraid.
I go test it now. Alright, make us see what I go on. Make us see what I go on. So we're ready, let's go. Anthony, it go crazy. So yeah, Basil, so we are check out the Raggamuffin now. Raggamuffin. Feel like a Raggamuffin already. I like the colors, the green with the yellow and thing, give me a little Jamaican vibe. And sitting. You understand? Get this lock up now. Let's go. Hey! Come where that walk going run? Trouble there now. Check his screw. Jaja no. That the answer.
Alright, fix your back to the side for me, J. Alright, so once you close, you cannot open until the guys get back, alright?
Alright, man.
So I'm going for the princess, hold on to this tight and dumb like here. Yeah, man. J,
hold on tight.
Come back in,
yeah. Keep your foot up.
Yeah?
Yes, I keep your foot up. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, man. Stand ready.
POV style massive, let's do this. So, just like I own a day night now. See what I go on? I'm mad sitting, man. You ready? Anthony, now we shall hear you scream. Ali, ready? POV style. Let's do this. Oh, that's good, man. A mad thing. Jeez, that was it, Alina, sit there. Weird. Turn. Trouble there, you know? Yeah! Yeah! Woi, oi! Yeah, man! Yeah, let's do this. Jeez and peace, man! Why, man! Man! Woo! Woo! Yeah! You not scared? Yeah. Ah! Woo! Hey, man! Watch out! Man! Yeah! You're not afraid? Why I am there? John, man! Yeah! Yeah! Watch it! Watch it! Look right down here! Watch it! John, walk it out! What is? Walk it out! Man! Yeah! That's nice. That was nice. Up in here. Bad. Bad.
Alright, take your time, my friend. Nice here.
Bad. I don't need a jar, man. I say, I'm dizzy. Let's go. Oh, epic. That is nice. We go wait for Kadira. So, woo! That was epic. That was the Raggamuffin. Hope you enjoy the Raggamuffin ride. So, we can see if we can do the bobsled. I know. The line long, but let me try. I'm mad sitting. Boy, it's no time for the bobsled. Just go down that side. Alright, so it's time for the bobsled. As you can see behind me, that journey I will jump on now. And thing. So, let's go, let's do this. Bobsled and got shot. As you can see, one forward in from here, so. And thing, a mad thing. No joke, let's do this. So it's time to get them now. Alright. Away this. Number 18. Don't know. Seat belt. That turn right or so. Can I seat belt now reach? Yeah, make sure. I'm here in a stretch. Let's go. Lucky. I'm mad sitting man, so a straight traddle. POV style, so massive. This is the bobsled that we are in. As you can see how your foot them stay. You know what I mean? You have this lever right here, so a mark stop on it. If you pull it back, it will break you, but you know we're gonna put it all the way down. You understand? Because we are going bucky. So when you're ready, we're going bucky and we're going to POV style. I'm mad sick, man. Let's do this. So before we go off, you know, we have to get the cue from the safety man them as to when we have to go. When you're ready, this is going to be an epic ride. Can't wait for this one. I'm mad thing, man. Let's do this. Oi. Ready? Ready. And see the Raggamuffin up at top there, so. Now. Yeah, man. You ready?
You ready?
Yeah, man. That is it. Not this time, but a time before this.
Alright, keep it forward at all times. If you get close, anybody your friend, pull it back.
Alright, then, man.
Separate for now.
Alright, man. So, when you're ready, let's go. Trouble. So, see it there? We have it all the way down, you know, so a base speed, you see me? Base speed. I tell them say I don't want to go with nobody where I'm go run it too slow, because you know that will make you stop. POV style, you know, ready? What you building? A mad thing. Let's go. Warrior, speed. See it here now? Boom. Speed we are doing. Warrior, mad. You want to see it fast? Cheese. Round it. Round it. Round it. That's why you have to do the thing, man. Mad, man. Come now, man. Come now, man. Faster now, man. Faster now, man. Cheese and peas. Faster now, man. Yes. Yes. Watch your style now. Corner. 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 Yes. 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 Speed now, man. Down there now, man. Yes. Yes. As you can see, some picture take a while. You do the right them, you can always get them on the $800 one. You see me? Mad, yes! Watch the speed. Corner, man. Whoa, corner, man. See that challenge, look. See that we don't ease up. When I see what I want, see the look. Yes! Yes! Roll the yes, no man. Mad, no man. Cheers! Wait a slow. Still yes, no man. Yes, no man. Yes, no man. Jeez and peace. Blow, blow. I must ride this. I must ride this. I'm telling you. Minax. Oh my word. Yeah, man. I must want this. I'm gonna ask you. And I ask Christ. I must want this, man. Boy, this did beautiful. Whole heap of speed. Whole heap of adrenaline, you know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. Love it. So right at the end, you know, you have an auto braking system where it auto brake and stop and all of them good thing there. You know what I mean? I love it so. And I like you can fly off of the track if you buck it. You see me? Yeah. And then you know I look a cruise go up and look a thing. You see it. And that is the hill where we are going to go right up. Nice little journey, but we are recording the whole journey going up. We're actually moving fast this time around. Yeah, let me see if I can see what behind look like. See there? There's somebody down there in the distance. And thing. Yeah, smooth, nice, relaxing, and thing. And the vegetation is just beautiful, extraordinary. I'm not telling a lie. Definitely recommend this place here for your getaway with your family and everything, but other than the local organization that they want to deal with down at the front before you reach up here, other than that, everything else runs smooth. Just pick a day where it's not so full up. There's so much people there, you see me? Yeah, just pick a day where you and your family. Like a weekday would have be best. Right now today is a Saturday. So you kind of set away, you see me? Yeah man, no joke, no doubt. And as you can see in the tree them and thing, you have the zipline thing. You see me? Yeah man, but the experience was great. Me not think I'm gonna do nothing else. This is pretty much it. Only thing that I want me not do yet is the rock climbing thing, and I definitely can't go do it with the camera. Because that the more you step and you drop, because I'm gonna need me two on them, you see me? So yeah, a mad thing. So right now I put some pool time, we do some pool time, walla joy, eat some food and enjoy the rest of the moment here, you know what I mean? Blessings and respect. Big up to all my subscribers, all my members. Please may I ask if you subscribe for membership on Jamaica Walk by just like $1 or $1 something. One of them is for $1 something. Look good no man, or look no man, and $1. If you just say Jamaica Walk by, me love what you do, we love what you show with Jamaica, and they don't know, we can use that put towards everything. And then to be honest with you, we make it so cheap, like $1. That's everybody can support. That way then we are strong in our numbers. You know what I mean? Yeah, so that's how we are doing it. Heart of love, blessings and respect. Also please may I ask you if you subscribe to Jamaica in 10. That's my wife's channel. No joke, no doubt. She tell you the facts, the history, and all of them things about the beautiful country of Jamaica. See? Heart of love, blessed love, respect. And again, thank you all for always watching my videos. See? Blessed. You can follow me on Instagram at Jamaica Walk by .yt, and also on TikTok at Jamaica Walk by TV. We post some shots and bunch of interesting content on them other social media there. See? A mad thing. Let's do this. Mystic Mountain. Man. And this is the part now where breaker go jam. Goodly flick your fight. Judge, I'm gonna tell you, man. So directly off the ride, you know what I mean, you enter the gift shop. This is what the gift shop looks like. You see me I say? So once you come off of Bobsled, you get a chance to walk through the gift shop. You can get stuff for the pool, you can get souvenir cups, souvenir seasoning. Also there's clothes and stuff right here. Blessed good day, Heart of Love, Jamaica Walk by. You know what I mean? Place them nice. See me I say, all heap of souvenirs and things you can definitely get once you come off of the Bobsled. Or bags, you have the bags them over here, them beautiful, all heap of Jamaican designs and stuff. Clothes as well. Look at these hats. And just a quick snippet of the gift shop here at Mystic Mountain. Loads of souvenirs. You see me? Love it. Mad. Jewelry as well. So, and you have these over here. All of these key rings and things that you definitely can take home. Magnet for your fridge and all of the good stuff. That is it, isn't it? Also, you can, if you don't want go up on the bobsled first, you can always enter through this door at any time to enjoy it. See? Let's go. Come show my friend. Come show man, my wallet.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Blessings, man. Alright then. See it? Heart of love. Yeah, man. So, this is it, massive. Heart of love, blessings and respect. I'm thing, man. 4 times.